You added a second warehouse to save on shipping. The savings disappointed. By the end of this video, you'll know the rules sellers who actually save on Omnichannel are using. Closest node isn't always the answer. We see this in every brand that goes from one warehouse to two. Texas customer orders a hoodie. The OMS spots your Dallas store, one shipping zone away, and routes there. Looks correct. Looks like exactly what you set up the second location to do. So why is your shipping spend per order higher than it was last quarter? Because zone count isn't the same as cost. Most routing systems were built when it was. They haven't caught up. Run the numbers from last month. Pull every order routed to your Dallas store. Compare what it cost versus what the same shipment would have cost from your Ohio 3PL 3 zones away. For half those orders, Ohio wins. Sometimes by $1, sometimes by 4. Multiply by 8,000 orders a month, and you're looking at 20 grand a year you spent because your routing logic was reading the map but ignoring the rate card. The fix isn't a new warehouse. It isn't more sync frequency. It's a single check most routing systems don't run by default, and there's a specific number it needs to compute. Here's the check the brands who route well are running. Landed shipping cost, not zone distance. The actual dollars the carrier will charge to move the package from the node to the customer's door. Two pieces matter: your carrier base rate at each node and the zone multiplier from that node to the destination. Carrier base rate varies per node because of how you negotiated. Your Dallas store probably runs on a retail rate card. The package gets weighed, the zone gets calculated, and the carrier charges what the website says. Your Ohio 3PL probably runs on a negotiated rate card. Same package, same weight, same destination. 30 to 40% cheaper because volume contracts beat retail every time. Zone multiplier is how the carrier scales price by distance. Each zone adds $2 to $5 in domestic ground. Dallas to Austin is 1 zone. Ohio to Austin is 3 zones. The Dallas rate looks better on the multiplier. The Ohio rate destroys it on the base. So the math each node needs to run for every inbound order is base rate times zone factor plus surcharges. That's landed cost. Compare landed costs across nodes. Lowest one wins. Distance is a number you check second, not first. If you've never seen your carrier rate cards side by side, that's where this starts. Pull both. Compute the landed cost for 5 representation destinations per node. You'll see the gap immediately. The dollars that should have been savings have been sitting on the wrong line of the rate card. 3 things change the math. 1. Peak season surcharges. Carriers add holiday and demand surcharges that shift the rate card week to week. A node that's cheapest in October might lose to its sibling in November. Recompute monthly during peak, not annually. 2. Dimensional weight. Carriers charge by whichever is bigger, actual weight or volumetric size. A node optimized for small parcels can lose to a farther node when the order is oversized. Dimensional weight needs to be in your routing inputs, not just package count. Picture Friday morning. You pull last week's shipping cost report. Average cost per shipment is down 12% versus the same week last year. The 8,000 orders you processed went to the actual lowest landed cost node for each one, not just the nearest. Your CFO opens the dashboard before the leadership meeting and doesn't have a question. Nobody's asking why parcel spend spiked. The savings the second warehouse was supposed to deliver finally show up on the line. 4 steps. 1. Pull the rate card for every fulfillment node. Retail or negotiated, the actual numbers. 2. Compute landed cost for 5 representative destinations per node. 3. Configure routing to run a cost floor check before the proximity check. Lowest landed cost wins. Proximity breaks ties. 4. Recompute quarterly and every time a carrier issues a rate change. If your OMS can't run landed cost routing at decision time, that's what we built Omniorders to do. Full guide below.